Got it?
All that.
There you go.
Awesome, thanks.
That little thing right there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Push that in.
Okay.
That releases that. Yeah.
So what was that? So he did show me one, like the maintenance. So this thing.
Can I just get my bag so I can get my connector? Thank you.
My fingers. Is that it?
Thank you. Card here. Look.
It's just.
See the little.
Okay.
Ready?
See it? It's just a stitch.
I know. It's the stitch got caught.
We're just gonna pull that freaking thing. Go get the
I appreciate y'all's help.
scissors. Are you videoing us?
Yes, yes, I am.
Are you looking at making us look like clowns?
Oh no, I'm no clown here.
We're gonna hold it so she can. Oh, don't be. Oh shoot.
What do you need?
So Sarah had that little.
I've done suitcase surgery a few times.
I'm not gonna cut your back.
Hey, look at this. Oh, thank you very much.
You need a. You need a.
New suitcase.
Well, you need one of those zip thingies. I don't know what these things are. It broke.
125 by special assistant, 125 please by special assistant.
Wait, let me see those pliers again. You want your pliers? Yeah. Because somehow. What the heck?
Now everything gets stuck.
I know, that's what I'm saying. This is. I think we need to put him back in bed and start all over. I'm really trying.
Take a margarita.
Oh my goodness. You know what happened? Come on, Zipper. Come on, Zipper. Oh, where'd my help go? She left me. My help. Oh. She left me. Oh, she's calling the Sky Club. Okay, get a ticket.
Oh, I don't have to. Okay, I got it. Please let us in. Let him through. Thank you. Why did they close the gate before we drove through? Oh no.